You can get paid $50, $25, $10 or more to do simple tasks on the Goodwall app. Whilst making money on the Goodwall app, you contribute to a larger cause like planting trees, which earn you $5 on the app and also protect our earth. The Goodwall app is for both iPhone and Android and works worldwide, so everyone can use it to make money. There is a secret way to earn $2 without doing anything in the app, and I'll share that secret later in this video. A lot of research went into finding this app, so sharing it with you is like sharing a golden ticket with you to earn whilst you contribute to a greater cause. And as always, I'll share everything with you step by step, so make sure you don't miss any step. I'm Emmanuel, and on this channel I share money making updates from my own experience. So if you're interested in this topic, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Let's go. So what is the Goodwall app and why are they paying people to do simple tasks? So their mission is simple: to help you learn and earn while sharing your skills and activities. Let me show you how to download the app on your phone, and let's get started. First, go to your App Store or Play Store and simply type in Goodwall app. Now click on its icon right here and click on download to download the app to your phone. After you are done, simply open into the app, and here let me show you how to sign up. On this page, what you need to do is to either enter your email address right here or simply use your email address that you have already logged in into your phone. Use your Facebook or your Yoma account. After choosing your email, it will ask you for your birthday. Set your birthday right here. On the next page, choose your identity. So it will ask you for some few permission, and if you are comfortable with that, allow it the permission, and it will bring you into the home page right here, just like this. Now this feels like a social media app too, because people share their daily activities right here in the app. Now after you are done, there is something you need to do, and that is verification. So you can see the first message that you receive is this one, which is from the Goodwall community, and you can see right here all of this information. You can simply read it. So before you can earn, you need to set up your profile and also verify your account. So here in the app, simply click on your profile icon right here. So here you can see I've already set up my profile by uploading my picture, writing my name, as well as about me right here. So what you want to do is to simply click on this pen icon, and you can also write information about you, your first name, your last name right here, and about you, and also choose your nationality right here, choose your current location, and also your gender down here. And here is the experience section, so you need to add your experience section before you can continue with this. So I'll simply click on back right here, and I'll click on get started here. So I'll click on get started, and you can see what are you into. So what you want to do is to select what you are also into. I'll choose finance right here, click on next. I'll choose financial planning, click on next, and you can see they are asking me to take a picture right now for them to also see whether it's matched with this one or not. So I'm going to take the picture. Alright, so you can see right here I just took my picture. I can simply post it right here, and you can see congratulations, a new skill unlocked. Now after setting up your profile, here are the ways to also earn on the Goodwall app. Now you can see right here, the first one is the challenges. So there are challenges which are put up here that you can also participate in, and whenever you participate in the challenges, you will be able to also earn right here. So when I click on this one right here, you can see that you can also take part in this challenge. Now the challenges come with their own requirements. You can see this one: can you imagine a future shaped by AI? Join the Dream with AI challenge to learn how AI can transform the world for good. And you can see here are the instructions for you to also take part in the challenge. So make sure you read through the instructions very carefully. So you can see the deadline right here too, and these are all the information that you need to also know. And you can see many people have uploaded their own challenges, so you can also simply look through and also check out how they made their own, and also read through what they need you to do before you can also upload your video or anything that they ask you for the challenge. So here when you click on take part like this, you can see right here what the instructions. They will also repeat it again for you. Click on got it, and they will ask you to also post your video. You can simply record the video, or you can simply tap here to upload it from your gallery. Allow access, and it will take you into your gallery, and you can also upload the video or anything that they also asked you. So this is simple as that. So the next way you can earn on the Goodwall app is through activism. So you can see right here, Goodwall Invisible Heroes, and when you click on win $25, you can see the instructions which is also needed for you to also join this particular activism challenge, which will also pay you $25 when you are also selected or when you qualify for this. The next way is through impact actions. So scrolling down here, you can see impact actions right here. Then you can see the first one right here, eat vegetarian, post it, get $1. The second one right here, trash bag, clean up trash, post it, get paid. And the third one right here, earn $5 to protect the plant it, post it, and earn $5. So there are surveys that you can do on the Goodwall app and also earn. So sometimes surveys will be brought in and the instructions will be given to you on what to do, and when you are able to complete the survey, you'll be able to also earn. Now there is a secret way to earn $2 for yourself even without participating in anything or stressing yourself like that, and I'm going to show you later on in this video. Here is how to participate in any event or activity to also earn. So up here you can see this one, win $10 with Dream AI. This is the first one that I showed you that you should also follow instructions to also earn. To participate in any event, all you need to do is to click on that particular event, just like I showed you in the starting of this video. Now when you click on it, what you want to do is to simply follow the event so that you can get updates from this event. Now you can see that this event is powered by Goodwall, this Yoma right here, Microsoft, and also all these companies here. So make sure you also read the instructions very carefully. That is the second step to also participate. Read the headline right here. Want to learn how AI can enhance everyday life? Join the AI for Life challenge to discover AI tips to optimize your daily routines. Now we can see how to participate. This is very important. Learn how to apply AI daily. Watch the educational videos pinned to the challenge page. Showcase your understanding. Share a video demonstrating how AI enhances daily life, from grocery shopping to exercising or managing your social calendar. We want to see how AI empower you. And the third thing is take the quiz. After you submit a qualified video, we will send the quiz directly to your Goodwall inbox, and you can see the price pool for this is $1,300. The deadline is also very important to take note of. It's 11th November 2025. This challenge is part of an exciting 5-part series. Explore the order to expand your AI knowledge. Dive in today and unlock the full potential of AI right here. So post video, 1 video plus quiz, artificial intelligence. The reward is $10. Who can win this? Open to all. So make sure you also take note of that. And you can see there is a leaderboard right here that will also help you to also create your own content. When you click on it, you will see the top 10 people right here, which you can also go to their page to also see what they did in order to also help you create your own video. And here are the paying videos right here that you must also watch before you even get started. This is the inbox they were talking about. You can see some messaging icon down here. When you click on it, you see all your inbox. This is the inbox they were talking about. So make sure you take note of that and also read every instructions very carefully before participating in any of the events. If you are still here, make sure you give this video a like because I know you are enjoying it. Now let me tell you this secret way to earn $2 for free without doing any tax, as well as show you how to verify your identity on the app. Here in the Goodwall app, you simply have to click on this human-like icon at the top right here, and what you want to do is to click on invite friends. When you click on it, you can see the first one right here is that you have to verify your account. Now I've done that already by verifying my email. The next one is to verify your identity. So let's do this first and I'll tell you about how to earn the $2 for free without doing anything. So click on this right here and you can see take a quick selfie to verify your identity. To keep your account secure, we will ask you to set up Face ID using the quick selfie. We will use this selfie to confirm if it's really you. both now and every time you withdraw from your Goodwall. To make sure it works, please follow the instructions. No sunglasses right here, glasses, masks or covering face. Keep your eye open and clearly visible. Use good lighting and plain background. Click on continue right here, and you can see when it turns green, then it means you can take it, and you can see I just took my selfie right here. Now click on continue, and you can see it's done. So click on it again, and here click on invite friends, and then you can simply copy your referral link, and here when you share your referral link to your friends, you get $2 right here for every friend that joined the link. And here are the instructions that need to go through before you can get the $2. 1. Your friend must sign up for the app as well as complete a task that qualify for the reward. So make sure you also tell them to also sign up, verify themselves, and also complete tax right here, and you are going to get $2 for free without doing any tax yourself. After you have participated in a tax and also earned something, you need to withdraw from your account. So how do you do that? Let me show you. All you need to do is to simply come here, click on this right here. This is your wallet in the app, so any money that you make, you will see it right here, and you can see the minimum you can withdraw is $35. And how can you withdraw and where can you withdraw it to? You can withdraw it in USDC, and USDC is a cryptocurrency, so it means it works everywhere and everyone can get for themselves a USDT account. Now I'm going to make a full video to show you how to create your own crypto wallet if you don't have one, so make sure you subscribe to the channel for that. Now all you need to do is to click on withdraw, and you can see the first one right here is to reach $35 threshold. Confirm your phone number for authentication right here. So make sure you enter your phone number right here, because I haven't done that. Enter your phone number right here, and you can also confirm your phone number. Now after that is done, all you need to do is to come here, upload your profile. I've done that already, and set your birthday. This way you can also withdraw from Goodwall. It's very simple and direct to your wallet. If you love this video, I know you also like this video on the screen right now where you get paid to chat.